We have nice tourists from Peninsula, from Spain, from Madrid, but they live in France now, and they are here for the holiday. Please, for people who would see this video, you have some experience about Tenerife, your first experience.
Yeah, we were for 2 days in the Anaga Park doing several trekkings, and it was really nice. It's like the tropical forest with very, very nice landscapes. And then I think yesterday we were also in the top of the Teide. It's a completely different landscape, totally desertic, and the contrast between one and the other in just half an hour was amazing. It's really nice.
Thank you for your interview. Have a beautiful time on Tenerife. See you later maybe. Bye.
Thank you.
Otra amiga. Hola amiga.
Hola.
¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal?
Ay,
Qué,
ella loca,
qué bonita,
siempre.
qué bonita loca siempre. It's so fun. Uy, pobrecita. No. Pobrecito.